Here's how to build a tepee fire, which gives off heat and is an excellent light source. First, you get the tinder, which can be leaves, grass, hay, anything that lights easily on fire. Then, you lay it on the ground. Second, you find the dried dead twigs and place on top of the tinder. This will be the kindling. Third, find the dried dead branches and lay on top of tinder and kindling. And make this into the shape of a tepee. You can use bigger branches and logs to help build that, and it's difficult at times to start it, but it eventually will get into the tepee shape. Fourth, you will strike a match and set fire to the tinder and kindling. That does burn good. You will now have a fire that will slowly start to get bigger, and when you're doing that, it should have, when it's going for a long time, you should have it putting more logs and branches in so that it stays going. And eventually it will collapse down, but every fire does that. Once you're done with the fire, you have to make sure it's fully out, make sure that the embers are stomped out in the ashes. One way you can do this is throwing dirt and gravel on there and stomping on them if you have proper shoes. Knowing how to build a fire can easily save your life because it is a light source, it gives off heat, and if you need to, you can cook with it. And if you have a smoky fire, which would be the cause of water branches, it can send off a smoke signal if you are stranded. There are multiple ways to light a fire. Matches are the easiest, and you should preferably have waterproof matches whenever you go hiking or camping. You can either buy waterproof matches, put them into a sealed container, or you can make them waterproof by dipping the tip of them into wax, which protects it, and when you strike the match, it will take off the wax. When gathering the materials for your fire, you should always pick dried and dead materials that are hopefully found above ground. When you pick the branches, they should probably be already fallen off, because then that's a definite sign that they are dead.